Okay, this is going to go a lot faster if I just talk instead of fucking around typing. God damn it. Isekai, Yuri, enemies to lovers. That sounds great. You are going to have to deal with my singing now, and I do not sound like Pion. Oh, I also have morning voice. Jesus Christ. Monster from the Void? That's me, Soul. Don't worry. I'm the monster from the void. Hi, Glue. Chat, this is who we're drawing. Hi, Nugs. Did you want love? Finally meet you. Wouldn't you say oh, ayo, ayo. Morning voice? Is this waking up to waking up next to Chess Simulator? I mean, like, I do definitely have morning voice. I didn't realize that it was this bad. If I'm gonna keep sleeping under your bed, you're gonna need me to start paying rent? I'm not. You just imagined me there. It's not my fault. Follow you like toy soldiers. Oh, you have power again? Oh, that's what you meant. I don't, for some reason I was thinking that you were talking about being a mod, and I was like, no, because it's been a mod for a while, and I was just very confused. What the fuck? Also, hi, Robin, how are you? Wouldn't you say oh, oh, oh. Nugs has political power. I know, yeah, the electricity and stuff is back. I understand. If I had political power, it wouldn't last long. Something, something. Fuck America. I would not be popular in Texas as a politician. True.